Hello guys, good evening. Time check is already 6:57 p.m. Nakakaroon sa Shell Mobility Banilan na ako'y reservation sa Tokyo-Lush mga 7 p.m. for a treatment. It's Glutadrip. So ang ilang schedule for Sunday guys is until 12 midnight. So nice kaayo, especially if you're busy in the morning at saka hindi mainit, no? O laglaag. Come with me. One siyang favorite na ko, Mirror Day guys. Nice kayo. Very aesthetic. Lang guys. Di pa try nila na ako ang Sakura Radiant Glow nila na trip. So, nice kayo na island and multivitamins. Of course, with gluta na. They're very professional. I really love the experience. Murag wala aragin si manhid na siguro. Manhid na. Man na siguro perks ng manhid na ka. Kaya, once mo na ka o drip sa gluta kaya di na ka makafeel. Kaya manid naman. Joke na bitaw guys. Wala siya shaping pero di mo kuman. It's very peaceful and it's really calm ang place. I really recommend you guys to visit Tokyo-Lush guys.